Welcome to National Doughnut Day, a fun celebration for one of the yummiest treats in the world. Today, we'll explore the interesting history, delicious flavors, surprising facts, and even some tasty recipes about donuts that will make you crave for more. Donuts have a really cool history that goes back to the early Dutch settlers who brought their olykoeks recipe to America. From those early days, donuts have changed a lot, and now they're the ring-shaped treats we all love. Let's check out the different types of donuts over time and see how they've become a symbol of happiness and yumminess. Get ready to go on a mouth-watering journey through the world of donut varieties and flavors. From the classic glazed to the super yummy filled donuts, each bite brings pure delight and satisfaction. Imagine taking a bite of a soft, fluffy yeast donut covered in sweet glaze that shines in the sunlight. The gentle sweetness and light texture make your taste buds dance with joy. Or maybe you like the rich and dense cake donuts that are moist and tender with a slightly crisp outside. They come in lots of flavors, like the classics such as chocolate and vanilla, and even exciting ones like salted caramel, red velvet, and matcha green tea. But wait, there's more. Let's explore the world of filled donuts, where every bite is a surprise. Picture yourself enjoying a golden pastry filled with smooth custard, sweet jam, or creamy Nutella. These filled treats burst with flavor and have a wonderful mix of textures. And let's not forget the fun and creative donuts that push the limits of deliciousness. Think of a donut covered in colorful sprinkles, drizzled with chocolate ganache, or topped with crushed cookies and candy. These amazing creations not only look awesome, but also taste incredible. Whether you're a fan of simple and classic donuts, or you'd like to try bold and unique combinations, the world of donut varieties and flavors is always changing and full of tasty surprises. So, let's savor the different kinds of donuts and enjoy their yummy and creative goodness. Did you know that the largest donut ever made weighed over 3 tons and had a diameter of over 16 feet? Just imagine the excitement and hunger it created among donut lovers. Here's another cool fact. National Doughnut Day started with the Salvation Army during World War I. Volunteers, called donut lassies, served donuts to soldiers on the front line, giving them a taste of home and a comforting treat during difficult times. As you enjoy your favorite donut, take a moment to appreciate the rich history and cultural significance that these treats hold. From their humble beginnings to their popularity today, donuts have become a symbol of joy, celebration, and pure deliciousness. So, grab your favorite donut, enjoy the flavors that make you smile, and join us in celebrating the wonderful world of donut varieties and flavors.